Good morning. It's Friday morning and it is currently almost 9 a.m. and I slept at my parents' house last night after work, but I brought back a load with me this morning. So I have my desk chair now, which makes me feel like I have my life together. So it's Good Friday today, which means everything is closed. Also, Jesus died today, but everything is closed and I really wanted to go to Kmart and buy some coat hangers, a shoe rack, and like a hand towel and just like knick-knacky things for my house. So it's currently almost 9 and at 10 I'm gonna have to leave to go to a family picnic. We're having an Easter picnic with my dad's side of the family, which I'm really excited about. I'm really just excited to see my cousin Kayla. I'm talking to you. I might actually just do a bit of editing. I might shower, get dressed, and head to the picnic. Excuse me, what do you think you're doing? It is 10:30 and I just spent the last hour trying to figure out our Wi-Fi because it wasn't working, and it's now working and it's really fast and it's really great, and now Rachel and I are going.
This is my room.
Is it?
My second room. My third room.
Is it? Okay, but setting up that internet was an absolute mess. The people we've set up our Wi-Fi with, they have like an online chat all the time and they're actually so helpful. He like step by step took me through. I'm so dumb with like technology and he was seriously so patient and he was so good at helping me out. Then I FaceTimed Bryce and he helped me finish it, but I never got to go back to the chat and say thanks or I figured it out, and now it's gone. This is a perfect example of my over compassionate self that I like want to thank him for his help, but the chat's gone and I don't know if I'll get the same person when I go back, and I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But for now, I'm going to drive to the picnic that I'm definitely late for, that definitely started half an hour ago. So let's go. Hi. Say hi. What's your friend's name? Emily. Hi, Emily. I'm now home from the picnic. It's currently like 3 p.m. I'm going to go see what's happening in my house because I have some people over. Hi. Hi. So these are the 5th and 6th members of the Scott house. You're already annoying. I've had enough. I'm gonna move out.
I'll move in. Cookies. You're just gonna have to get used to it. You're just gonna build a tolerance.
I can't.
You know what? After living with me, no one will ever be able to annoy you again. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. Don't go for the finger. You always go for the finger.
It's because it's the most vulnerable place. Ow! You're gonna break your laptop.
You're gonna break my finger.
I'm gonna wake you up every morning by tickling your feet.
Please don't.
Morning, Georgia.
I do like that pegboard. It's a real
Are you enjoying my chair?
If I can't do this on my chair because it either goes up or down. And I'm like, oh, I don't like either of that.
I'm just chilling in Rachel's filming room or her office.
Oh, also look at the poster that I'm gonna hang up. There's lyrics from my song.
Cute. But she's like working hard, filming a video, organizing her space, and I'm just sitting on the floor keeping her company because I don't want to clean my room because I don't know where I want anything.
Hi.
And I was like, I don't believe you. Like it could be.
Yes, okay. Got it. Welcome to Bling Bling Island.
We're having a picnic in my bedroom. We have a cheese pizza and a ham and cheese pizza with pineapple added to it because
Falling on a budget.
make it rain. I got a thick shake and I took a frozen mango and it's just a really good time. 10 out of 10 would recommend. You're even all your shoes. You're gonna keep that money. I'll keep it in there. Stop trying with your shoes on. Give us an outfit of the night, Skay.
Alright, this is my shirt. JJ. Rachel has a matching one.
Cute.
Section. And I once saw a man like wearing it out in public.
Yay.
And then this is from Kmart.
Cute. Yeah, honestly. Like and subscribe.
Tweet me at David Rick.
Oh, let me turn the great strongman off. I'm trying to be a bit quiet because Skay just went to bed, but I just had my first shower in this house and it was so good. This is our shower head and it's the best thing ever. I'm gonna go to bed and I'll turn to tomorrow. Good morning, friends. It is Saturday today and it is about 8:20. I woke up at 6 a.m. and I read for a bit. I literally didn't look at my phone screen this morning until I had read for an hour. But I read Girl Boss. If you're interested, if you've been like wanting to read this for a while, I would 10 out of 10 recommend. I haven't gotten that far yet, but I'm a big fan. And then I got out my laptop and I edited 2 vlogs and I'm halfway through editing my 3rd one. They're all my moving vlogs and I'm really excited for you guys to see them. But last night was my first night in the squad house. Oh my gosh. And it was actually pretty good. I was a bit worried I wasn't going to be able to sleep well on my new mattress, but it's actually really comfy and I only woke up a couple of times and that's because I was cold. If my bed looks funny right now, it's because I don't have any pillows and I don't have a doona yet. I have my pillowcases and my doona cover, but I don't have the inserts for those things. So I just use my decorative cushion as my pillow and my throw blanket. I have a ceiling fan, which I've never had in my entire life and it's actually the best thing ever. But I had that on like low all night and I was freezing, but I didn't want to get up and turn it off. But yeah, it was a really good first night. It is 8:30 and I'm hungry, but we don't have a fridge yet. So the only food I have here with me is some grapes and half of my pizza that I didn't eat last night. This is the dream. But the fridge is getting delivered this morning and I was the only housemate that could stay this morning. I have no plans today. They said from 9 till 12. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and reward myself for getting so much work done before 8 a.m. by watching Riverdale and eating my pizza for breakfast. The fridge people here. Oh my gosh, I'm in my pajamas. Awesome, thank you so much. Have a good day.
See you later.
I'm definitely in my pajamas and I definitely have half of my face done, but the fridge guy just came and delivered our fridge. Look at it. I love it. When the guy was pushing it through our house, I was like, that is a massive fridge. That is not going to fit in the space we have. But Skye measured it right and it's massive. I actually love it so much, which is weird to say about a fridge. But look at it. Yes. Look at this cute little letterboard we have. Welcome to the squad house. And our little kettle and my grapes for breakfast. My makeup is done. And now my hair is done. And my outfit is done. I'm in Rachel's filming room. I hope she doesn't mind, but this is the only full-length mirror we have in the house so far. So I thought I'd give you a quick little OOTD before I head out. This denim jacket I have on is from Kmart. The t-shirt I have on underneath is from Big W. I have my Dotty belt on, my Crossroads black jeans, and these checkered fake Connies, and they're from Ruby Shoes. I really like them, but I'm also like really insecure with like wearing bold things. I don't know. I'm gonna wear them today though because I think they're cool. They look cool with just like a plain outfit. But yeah, let's go.
Hey, mister. Hello. Do you miss me?
So I've actually just come home to my parents' house purely to do some washing. I have a massive bag of clothes that need to be washed and we don't have a washing machine set up at our house yet. We have one, but we haven't hooked it up yet. So I'm going to do some washing and then while it's washing, I'm going to do some editing. And then once I've hung it out, I'm going to go to Kmart and Target and do my shopping. But for now, I'm going to put my washing on.
Usually I don't do this, but it's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun. Yeah.
I'm now back home, my house. I brought with me from my parents' house my big teddy bear. I brought this massive tub of Tupperware and I also brought this big basket. I also brought this massive basket of washing that I did. Hi, welcome to my wardrobe. Hi. We gone to the movies for free. Yeah. Shout out to Chores. I just had a shower, but I actually just got home from going to the movies with Skye. Basically, the people that own the cafe I work for, occasionally if staff are doing really well or if they've done all of their online training and stuff, they give you movie tickets as like a reward for your hard work. Well, our store got given like 10 because they expired on the 31st and we got given them on the 29th. So I came home and I was like, I have 3 movie tickets, who wants to come?
Oh, it was so good.
But for now, I'm going to head to bed. So I'm going to end off at this vlog now. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. ready. I will see you in my next video in the very near future. Bye.